Good morning everyone, my name is Madhucharan. I am from 6th. Today I am going to do the activity of Social Science, Chapter 6, New Questions and Ideas. AIM. The word Jainism comes from Jaina, comes from the term of Jina, mean concave. 24th Tirthanka Mahavira Jayanti. 5 great vows Mahavartas of Jainism. Non-violence, ahimsa, truth, satya, non-stealing, acharya or asteya, celibacy, chastity, brahmacharya, non-attachment, non-possession, aprahigraha. And the next is the Noble Eightfold Path, and this is Gautam Buddha. And the Noble Eightfold Path are right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right concentration, right mindfulness. And the next is Brahman. The system of ashramas are 4: Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyas. And learning Vedas leads simple life. Grihastha, engagement in family duties and service to the other 3 orders. Vanaprastha, retirement from family life and greater emphasis on spiritual development. Sannyas, complete relation and decantation to self-relation. And that's it. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. My name is Anmutan Shanmuka Jyoti. I am studying in 6th class of Siddhartha Public School. Today I am going to explain you about History Art Integrated Learning Project. Chapter 6, New Questions and Ideas, Art Integrated Learning, Doodle Book by M. Newton. Buddhism. The Eightfold Path of Buddhism: right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right concentration, and right mindfulness. This is all about Buddhism. Jainism. 5 principles of Jainism. Ahimsa means non-violence. Satya means truthfulness. Asteya means not steal. Aparigraha means non-acquisition. Brahmacharya means chaste living. This is all about the 5 principles of Jainism. Ashramas. The system of ashramas. Brahmacharya means learning Vedas, lead simple life. Grihastha, they had to marry and live as householders. Vanaprastha, live in the forest and do meditation. Sannyasins, give up everything. So this is all about the system of ashrams. This is all about my History Art Integrated Learning Project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is C.H. Saichar. I am studying 6th class section D. Today I am going to do ALI Social Science. Buddha and his Eightfold Paths. Right view, right invention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effect, right convention, right needless. Jainism and their 5 principles. Asatya, Mahavira Jaina. Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. Brahman, Ashramas. The system of ashrams. Brahmacharya, learning Vedas, lead simple life. Gristia. They had too many and live as householders. Vanaprasthas live in the forest and doing meditation. Sannyasism give up everything. Thank
Good
you.
evening to one and all. My name is Nikita. I'm studying in 6th standard. Today I'm going to show my social AIL project. This is my social AIL project. Lesson number 6, New Questions and Ideas. Doodle book by Snikita. My first page of the project, Buddha and 8 Principles. The 8 Principles of Buddha. Right view, right intentions, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effect, right concentration, right mindfulness. His real name is Siddhartha. He found Buddhism. The second page of my project, the principles of Mahavira Jain. The 5 principles of Mahavira Jain. Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Brahmakarya and Aparigraha. He found an Jainism. He will do meditation under Shala tree. The system of Brahmins. The 4 principles of Brahmins. Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasis. Thank you.
Myself, Nikita from class 6 F section. Today I am gonna explain art integrated learning of social sciences. Buddha and his eightfold path. Buddha's eightfold paths are right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right concentration, right mindfulness. Jainism and their 5 principles are: he is Mahavira Jain, and Jainism 5 principles are Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha, Brahmakarya. Brahman. Ashramas, the system of ashramas. Brahmacharya, learning Vedas, lead simple life. Grihastha, they had to marry and live as householders. Vanaprastha, live in the forest and doing meditation. Sannyasins, give up everything. Thank you.
My name is Surya from 6th D. Today I am going to explain art integrated learning. Social studies, Buddha and his eightfold path. Buddha eightfold paths are right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right concentration, right mind future. Next, Jainism and their 5 principles. He is the Mahavira Jain. Jainism and their 5 principles are Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Apavigraha, Brahmakarya. Next, Brahman. Ashramas, the system of ashramas. Brahmacharya, learning Vedas, lead simple life. Grihastha, they had to marry and live as householder. Vanaprastha, live in the forest and doing meditation. person. Give up everything.
Hello everyone, my name is C.H. Saichar and I'm studying 6th class section D. Today I am going to do ALI social science. Buddha and his eightfold paths. Right view, right invention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effect, right convention, right needless. Jainism and their 5 principles. Asatya, Mahavira Jaina. Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. Brahman, Ashramas. The system of ashrams. Brahmaskya, learning Vedas, lead simple life. Grishya, they had too many and live as householders. Varaprastyas, live in the forest and doing meditation. Samnyasism, give up everything. Thank you.
My name is Deepsika. I am from class 6th D. Today I am going to explain about social sciences art integrated learning. Buddha and his eightfold path. This is Buddha. Right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, and right effort, right concentration, and right mindfulness. Shankara of Jainism, Lord Mahavira. This is Mahavira. Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya, Aparigraha, Brahmacharya, Brahman. Ashramas. There are 4 stages ashramas of life. Brahmacharya, which is student of. Gruhastha, a householder. Vanaprastha, the retired, and Sannyasa, a initiate. Thank you.